Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, it's My Life Philippines. If you're interested with nightlife, this channel is for you. And if you're interested with our lifestyle every day, check in the description our channel, Philippine Unfiltered. It's our channel new.
Hey friends, right now I'm going to take a quick ride through the Perimeter Road area, Fields Avenue, and finish our trip here in Dau. This will be a short video, but with a very interesting story from one of our longtime subscribers. And today, by the way, is the first working day after Holy Week. So you can see how busy the area is again compared to yesterday, when it was almost empty. But let's get into the story. You can decide for yourself if you believe it or not. And definitely write in the comments what you think. So here's what happened. Our subscriber once went to a bar. This was a few years ago. He saw a beautiful girl, paid the bar fine, and spent some time with her. They had drinks, talked, and she told him she was from a far province and had just recently started working there. Later, they went to a hotel together. After some time, they decided to go their separate ways. She told him she needed to go visit her niece somewhere near Koreatown. So he decided to go with her part of the way. They took a trike together and drove toward Koreatown, then a bit further, near a bridge area. She got off there, and some relatives met her, so she stayed with them. He got back on the trike and thought, all right, I'll head back to Walking Street. So he goes back, starts visiting different bars again, having a few drinks. Then he walks into another bar, one he hadn't been to that day. And suddenly, he sees the same girl, right there. She looks at him, smiles, and he's just standing there thinking, wait, what? Because just a short time ago, he personally dropped her off far away near Koreatown. And now, she's standing in front of him again on Walking Street. Same face, same smile. He couldn't believe it. So he calls her over, starts talking, trying to understand what's going on. And that's when he finds out the truth. It wasn't the same girl. It was her twin sister. They were identical twins, working in different bars. Apparently, they came together from the same province to work, but chose different bars probably to avoid confusing customers. He said they looked exactly the same. And honestly, that's a pretty wild situation. He didn't go for round two. He said he didn't have the energy. But he told me he stayed in contact with both of them for some time. At one point, he even met both sisters together and took them out for dinner. Later on, they both disappeared, stopped working in that area, and went back to their province. Most likely, they made some money and moved on with their lives. So yeah, that's the story. A pretty crazy coincidence, right? Let me know in the comments. Have you ever had something like this happen to you? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.